Toroska from Think Reactive, and today I'm going to talk about building a resilient, responsive, and elastic data analytical platform. This is how most analytical platforms or pipelines look like. On the left, you have your data sources, which could be batch or streaming. The first thing you need to do is you collect the data. Once you collect the data, then you run your analytics or processing on top of it, which produces a set of results. The results have to be streamed out to your users through a variety of user interfaces. In addition to doing all that, you need to store your data as well as your results, so your users can come back and explore them in further detail, uh, as well as run additional processing on top of it. So far so good. So where does one start? The excellent Lambda architecture proposed by Nathan Mars provides a clear set of principles for architecting big data systems. The Lambda architecture describes a system comprising of three layers: the batch layer, a serving layer to respond to queries, and a speed layer for real-time processing. Today, in the big data space, there are a variety of components and tools available to implement these various layers of the Lambda architecture. You could spend months researching them and even longer integrating them together. But help's at hand. You can build the entire stack using Spark and its components. There's a lot of material out there on Spark and its components, but very little on how do you tie them together to build an end-to-end application. This talk will help you put the pieces together using a real-world example. At the end of it, you'll have an entire, you'd end up building, you'll implement an end-to-end application using Spark and its components. This event would be valuable to developers, architects, and project leads who know about Spark and who are looking for more insight on how it can be used to implement real-world applications. I've been doing this I've built several analytical platforms using these technologies for the Tier 1 investment bank, and would love to share my experiences to a wider world. I hope you find this interesting, and hope to see you at StrataCon fall. Thanks.